Do you have an error with the Jetbrains ReSharper features IntelliSense DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get Jetbrains working again. Get the professional Jetbrains ReSharper features IntelliSense fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Jetbrains ReSharper features IntelliSense, part of the Jetbrains toolset managing the high-speed code completion and localized context menus in the IDE. If missing, the application's code editor window will display a blank white box or crash immediately upon launch, citing an assembly load failure. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Jetbrains.ReSharper features IntelliSense is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Jetbrains ReSharper features IntelliSense. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Jetbrains ReSharper features IntelliSense DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on Jetbrains ReSharper features IntelliSense. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Jetbrains ReSharper features, IntelliSense error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.